Mainit-init na chika, dalay Pangilinan is spotted being super clingy with the young actress, and netizens can't stop talking about it. What's really going on between them? Bago tayo pumunta sa pinakamainit na bahagi ng balita, comment your thoughts below. Is this just friendship or something more? Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more trending updates, and hit the bell so you never miss the hottest showbiz scoop. Eto na nga. Akala ng maraming utos lang ng management o work lang. Kaso hindi pala, dahil kitang-kita ng mga mosang off-cam ang pagka-sweet ni Donnie sa actress na si Belle. Ang kanyang pag-aalalay na makapasok sa sakyan ang dalaga. And isa pa, hawak niya rin ang bag ni actress at sinakay niya raw sa magarang sasakyan.